Wagi wa tauro cia utheru hari mwana wa kairitu ni umwe wa maundu maria makoretwo makiotomia mathomo kuri mwana wa muiritu, undu uria ucungireirie thirikari kwitukira mutaratara wa Beyond Zero ukorwo ukiheana tauro ici kuri airitu mathukuru-ini ma thirikari. Kuringana na murugamiri wa atumia kaunti-ini ya Naikuru Liza Chelule, uheani wa tauro ici ni uragacĩrithia mĩikarĩre ya mwana wa kairitu o ũndũ ũmwe na mathomo.
As a county, we have received sanitary towels for 3 sub-counties, and we still expect to have another lot for 9 sub-counties. And we chose Nakuru Girls High School for a purpose.
Chelule ni augite tauro ici igukorwo ikiheanwo kuri mathukuru maria mari icagi-ini kuhukia mathina maria makoragwo magomeire mwana wa kairitu gicagi-ini.
I'm happy today is that all the schools in Nakuru County will have access of sanitary towels. And we are really happy to be with these girls. And we are really happy. And my challenge to girls is that I want to challenge you that you really need to work hard. And what our country is doing is to make sure that we eradicate illiteracy among the female gender.
Brenda Wagoi kuma thukuru-ini wa airitu wa Naikuru ni acokeirie thirikari ngatho ni undu wa gutangikira mwana wa muiritu. Riu ciana ici ni cioretio kwitikira na muno makiria gutigira ni mekirira kio mathomo-ini mao.